Question: if you have already started a YouTube channel and have worked on it for a while, but it's not going in the right direction, should you start a new channel or should you continue with your old channel? That's the question I used to have for myself actually for a while, and I didn't really know what the answer was until kind of like recently, where I've been doing this experiment where I basically try to post like similar content onto my personal channel, this one, and then like a new YouTube channel where it's a bit more dedicated to that content. It's more niche. Obviously, this experiment was done quickly, so it's only been maybe like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, and like it's no contest. Like using your old channel or the channel you already have and posting on there instead, it's much better because you already have reach. Not necessarily because you have an audience, not because of that, but mainly because YouTube in general, or maybe not just YouTube, but social media platforms or content platforms in general, always favor like existing, like channels that already have existing followers or subscribers or numbers basically. So if you already have that and like let's say you have 100 or 200 followers or subscribers, like that's way better than having 0 where YouTube would just not really put your video out there to show to new people. Also, this mountain is so nice when it's sunny, especially in the mornings. But yeah, like that's something I noticed very, very quickly, and it's something I've thought about as well. Like you can anticipate it, but it's like you have to basically start all over and do a lot of work again versus just using the channel you already have. And basically, like if you took like a long break, for instance, like I did for my main channel, I was considering starting a new one or just using my old one, which I ended up renaming my old channel from Dreamlit to my name. And that was honestly the better move, like for sure, 100%, because the videos I post there, like despite my main audience no longer really existing because I took too long of a break, it's still like, I'm actually gonna go this way. The kids are really loud. But instead of like redoing it, taking a long break, lost my audience short. There's no way through this way. Okay, I have to go this way. Sorry. But because I lost my audience, I was like, okay, it doesn't even matter, right? I'm gonna start a new channel, it's gonna be basically the same thing, but that's not true at all. Like, your video would just get more reach because you have the numbers already. I already had 30,000 subscribers. So whatever video I post out there, it's gonna be seen by more people just because of the algorithm. That's it. That's the only reason why I feel like it's better to just stick with your old channel. Or the one you already have versus starting a new one. And if you like know the niche, then basically just go full into that niche. My niche for my main channel is basically just self-improvement, which is a very, very broad niche, but I'm still happy with it. Still happy to make content surrounding that niche and trying to make more content like that's more interesting with that niche, with the whole like 30-day challenges and everything. But yeah, that's the lesson I learned. I think it's a very valuable lesson. Like basically, if you already have something going, just like, you know, change it up, but still use the same channel. Like you can change the name, change the art. Yeah, like the old audience, you know, they'll stick around or not. It's kind of like you just got to keep creating. And it's much easier to just do on an existing one. But that's the point that I wanted to make. It's just a short video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.